Hi friends, today in this video, I will show you how to make a simple and powerful motor speed controller, using MOSFET with some other few components, with simple dimming method. And also I will show you how to make advanced method, with proper pulse width modulation control. Both circuits can be used as per the applications, and for learning purpose difference can be understood between the both, while as the pulse width modulation is highly efficient in controlling the load and safer to use. For basic circuit, first pre-solder the component pins. Take 1000 UF capacitor and solder with the potentiometer pin 1. Connect potentiometer pin 2 with pin 1 of MOSFET. And connect potentiometer pin 3 with pin 2 of MOSFET. Take 4.7 kilo ohms resistor and solder with potentiometer pin 1. Connect the common negative wire with resistor and capacitor. And connect input positive with pin 2 of MOSFET. Use alligator clip wires for motor output. Here is the circuit diagram of this project. Now our basic circuit is ready to test. Connect input DC and connect the motor at output. And with potentiometer you can simply increase or decrease and control the speed. For PWM method, I first designed the circuit diagram, and then converted it into the PCB, and the PCB will look like this. In order to manufacture this PCB, just go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLCPCB website. JLCPCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your Gabber file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity and color of the PCB as per your requirements. Quality and lead time is reliable, all in-house production, ensuring stability and strict quality control in every process, and lightning fast PCB production, in just 24 hours. And then you can save to the cart for the checkout process. Also don't miss JLCPCB's 6-layer PCB special, get $30 off with a coupon, and enjoy top quality 6-layer PCBs, plus 2 UENIG finish, and no engineering fees for wire-in pads. Within some days I got my order from JLCPCB delivered. And the quality of the PCBs is amazing, and 5 pieces is for just $2. And now it is time to assemble the PCB. So, let's place all the components according to the circuit diagram. And after spending some time with the soldering process and clipping, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl. Now take a small heatsink, and use thermal paste for better heat dissipation. Use silicone pads for MOSFET's insulation. Now install the N-channel MOSFET. And also LM7812 for high voltage IC protection. Also insulate top of MOSFET. And then secure these at its place. And here our PCB is looking nice and clean. Now align the components with board, and insert them at its place. And solder pads of both MOSFET and regulator. And our PCB soldering is completely done. Use a 555 timer IC, and insert it into the IC base. Now connect the input and output wires in the terminal connectors. I 3D printed this knob for multi-turn potentiometer for easy adjustments. I connected the 12-volt DC input. It supports 5 to 30 volts input for different motors. I used 775 DC motor for testing, which supports voltage range of 12 to 24 volts. Rotating this knob clockwise will increase the speed of motor. And rotating knob anti-clockwise will decrease the speed of motor. You can also control brightness of this bulb using this circuit. This circuit works on the basis of PWM frequencies, so works efficiently and not much heat is generated by the MOSFET.